Hello there folks, hope you're well. I'm Deepak, welcome to my channel, The Raw London Gardener. Today I'll show you how I make my rich black gold compost. I make compost in these two containers, an ideal size for my small urban garden. Composting is not complicated at all. If you follow a few guidelines, you'll have no problems making your own. And I've been composting for the last 5 years. Yes, 5 years. How do I make my homemade compost? It's simple and easy than you may think. You need two types of materials. The first being carbon brown. The carbon brown are the dry materials. Yeah? Cardboard, newspaper, shredded paper. That's it for me. Cardboard, newspaper, shredded paper. The next type of material is the nitrogen green. These are the wet materials. So here we talk about the soft plant prunings, banana peelings, banana skins. Here we got orange peelings, potato peelings, anything soft, beetroot, pieces of apple, pear, even tea from tea bags. That's it. Again, this is all I use. I don't put in anything else. So what do you do with these two materials, guys? Of course, you put them into the compost bin. But the most important part of composting for me is to add more cardboard and paper into your compost bin. I put on average 60 to 70% carbon materials in, and the rest, 30 to 40%, will be the wet nitrogen green materials. By doing this, it prevents a sludgy, wet smelling pile, which could take years to decompose. Having this ratio of 60 to 70% and 30 to 40%, it helps with the airflow. It maintains a good consistency. The cardboard will soak up excess moisture. The worms and microorganisms, they'll love it, absolutely love it. They'll break down these items within 6 to 12 months, and you'll have amazing, rich compost where your plants will thrive, providing you with maximum harvest. Right, what we'll do now, we'll open up the compost bin and then we'll add these two materials inside. We'll give it a top up. Alright guys, let's open up the compost bin and see what's inside. Here we go. Newspaper, raw food scraps, cardboard. What we're going to do, let's give it a turn and see what's going on. Okay, let's turn the compost. I typically turn the compost every 4 to 5 weeks, so the worms get at the raw materials at the top. So let's see what's going on. Oh, can you see that? Can you see the worms? Crazy. That's a good sign. And you can see it's not sludgy. It's not too wet. It's just right. Let's get right inside. Give it a turn. There we go. See that? Lovely jubbly. All right. That's that. Just a quick turn. The deeper we go, you can see the texture of the compost. Okay, so now let's add the cardboard. The important bit here is to layer the cardboard like this. Just a thick layer, nothing fancy. Layer it. There we go. And on top, I just add the wet materials, the raw vegetable peelings, plant prunings. There we go. That's it. A little bit of paper on top. That's it, guys. Let's just leave it. Let the worms do the job. Here is the second compost bin. Rich black compost. It's black gold, guys. Ready. Between 6 to 12 months. It's done. Look at it. You are not going to get this at any garden centre. Guys, thank you for visiting my channel. I hope this has been useful for you. Watch out for my next video.